My guy, make I ask you, if person give you N100,000 today, wetin you go use do? Buy phone, flex, or start something we go bring money every week? Hold on, before you rush go spend and finish, make I show you how that same N100K fit turn to a real business way. Go feed you steady for Ebonyi. No be story, this one na practical business way you fit start sharp. Let's go. Number 1, food business. See, and hunger no they go out of fashion. Whether economy they good or bad, people must chop. So you fit start small food stand. Puff, akara, fried yam, or small chops near market or school area. You no even need big shop. With N50K, N100K, you done set. If you sabi arrange your spot well, you fit make N2K to N3K daily. Before you know, you go they supply small parties. Food business they hot. Literally. Number 2, recharge card and data sales. You see Nigerians, even if them no get food, them must get data. Everybody they online. WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, even gossip. So this one no they fail. Just buy recharge cards or start selling virtual top-ups. Startup fit be N50, N80K. You fit add small POS or cable subscription later. Now small business way they run anywhere under umbrella, shop, or even your front yard. Number 3, vegetable farming. Now this one they sweet because Ebonyi is soil they ready made for pepper, tomato, okra, ugu. All of them they sell like hot cake for local market. You fit start with small portion of land and N50K for seedlings, fertilizer and tools. After few months you harvest, sell and replant. Plus, people go always buy fresh vegetables, especially if your own they fine and clean. If you serious, small farm fit turn to big supply chain. Number 4, phone charging and mini repair spot. Electricity wahala still day, abi? So this one na gold mine for area where light they misbehave. Get small table, extension box, and maybe generator. People go they rush come charge. Capital and 40K and 80K max. If you sabi fix phone small, you go add repair money join. One day you go realize say small charging business don't turn tech corner. Number 5, mini grocery or provision store. Now this one na steady income generator. People go always buy noodles, drinks, soap and biscuits. Find small space near junction or residential area. Stock only the things we move fast. With N80K and 100K, you fit begin. And if you get good attitude, people go, they trust you. Them go even buy on credit and still come back. Just keep records and they smile. A small shop today, supermarket tomorrow. Now make I tell you the secret part. Business no be magic. If you no reinvest your profit, it go remain small. But if you they put profit back, small, you go grow fast. Example, puff business start with N50K, you fit make N30K profit in 1 month. Next month combine RM and expand. Before 6 months, you fit employ person. So the real trick no be only the business, na consistency, reinvestment and packaging. So my people, instead of waiting for one big investor or government help, start something small today, no matter your level. N100K fit move you from broke to boss if you plan well. If you like this kind business talk, I beg hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop your favorite idea for comment section. I go pick one person next week and break down how to scale that business faster. Make we they grow together, one small idea at a time. Now your guy signing out. Stay sharp, stay hungry for success.